Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this beautiful tutorial. As you can see here, I already start with this part, but for this pattern you can use any kind of rib to start, or start exactly the pattern. But let me show you first how we make that pattern, and then at the end of the video maybe I'll show you how you can use the edge for this pattern. For this tutorial we need to have multiple of 6 plus 1. What we have to do for set up rows, we are going to just pull all the stitches. Let me do it one more rows to just pull all the stitches, and then we are going to start the pattern. This is really nice and easy pattern that can be used for any kind of project you like. Okay, let's start the pattern. What we have to do, we are going to take the first one, and then for the next one we are going to increase to a third time like that, and we repeat 5 times. This is the second one. 1, 2, 3. This is the third one. 1, 2, and 3 or 4. Sometimes it's not easy, I know, but 1, 2, 3. So it means I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next one I'm going to just pull 1. We repeat again by make another 5. 1, 2, 3 until the end of the row. This is the first one. We are going to repeat that one by make 5 increase and 1 pull. This is third, fourth, and fifth. Then pull 1. I'm going to repeat these 5 and then I'll be back. Now when it comes to the next row, what we have to do, we are going to take the first one and then we take 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then I'm going to take the yarn in front and take these 5 again back to the needle. I'll do it one more time. I'll take 5 again together take my yarn like that. So as you can see here, I did it twice for these fifths. Then we are going to only knit, pull again one. We do it, repeat again by 4. Next 5, 3, 4, and 5. I'll take it back again in the loop, in the needle, take it again, do it one more time, like that, and pull one. Let's do the next one. Do it again. And the last is like that. For next row, we are going to start by knit all stitches. Make sure you take it like this. As I told you, it's really easy and beautiful pattern. This is the back side of the work and this is the front side. If you for this row because we are going to have some rows between these two flowers, I'm going to just knit it normal. In this row we are going to just knit all stitches normal. And let me finish this row to show you how the pattern looks like. And you are going to repeat 4 more rows by just normal knitting to start to pattern again. As you can see here, the pattern looks like that. Let me show it in the bigger pattern. If you can just knit 4 more or 6 more, is up to you how much do you want to have separation between these two, and then start again the pattern for the next. And this is really nice pattern. But if you want me to show you how to make this one, I'll show you how did I that one. I'll go back. As I told you, this pattern exactly can start from the beginning like that, or if you want to start with something else. This one I made it by hook. What I did, I made some chain and start to insert my hook in the first chain, grab the yarn like that, next one, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then I make them all together, make one chain. For the next chain I made one single crochet, and I repeat again by insert my hook in the chain, grab the yarn, the second one, and I did it 5 times, 4 and 5. Then I knit them together, one chain and one single crochet in the next chain. I repeat that one until the end of the row, but again it's up to you. If you want a bigger stitch here, you have to make it 7 loops or 10 loops, but in this case I make 5, chain 1 and single crochet in the next chain. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and the pattern should look like that. I make one single crochet at the last one, and that's it. How can I start to make it in the needle? What should I do? I'm going to take one like this, and then I insert my needle in that chain and I grab the yarn like that, and I keep continue until the end of the row by insert my hook here and take the yarn to have a stitch for needle. If you keep continue like that, you are going to have stitches for start, and that's all I did for that pattern. After you have until the end of the row, you can start by just knit them like that and have the pattern. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like the video, please share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, and have a good day.